Hi, welcome to the video direct registrations on the RingCentral platform, which is the online platform that we use to host the Rebuild Ukraine forum. Please note that we will refer to English language labels. However, your browser may automatically translate these into your language, as mine has done, translating some labels into Italian. Let's have a look at what this guide will cover. This video explains what to expect on the landing page, how to register via the landing page, the ticket choices available, the confirmation process, then goes on to show how to configure your personal profile and privacy settings, and finally, how to make subsequent logins. Okay, let's start looking at these processes in detail. Here you can see a standard registration landing page. At the bottom of the page, you can see the menu, which gives you more information about the forum, including the presentation program, speaker details, as well as a preview of the virtual stands already in the expo area. Anyway, to start the registration process, click on the button Register on the right-hand side of the page. This takes you to where you choose the ticket you would like and where you can insert any promotional codes that you may have. Please note that in this case, if you choose the virtual stand ticket, this will automatically also provide you with a corporate delegate ticket. For more information about virtual stands, please see our video, The Benefits of Virtual Stands and How to Configure Them. Once you have chosen the ticket type and inserted any promotional coupon, click on Continue and you will be taken to the registration page. As you can see here, you have to input your email address, your first name, your family name, your company name, your job title, the country of incorporation of your company. Then if you would like an invoice to cover the cost of subscription, please insert the company registration number. If you would like this invoice to be a VAT invoice, you then have to insert your company's VAT number. If you do not need an invoice, then these fields can be left blank. If no payment is required, just click on Register. If you have to make a payment, click on Continue. You will be taken to the payment page where you will be asked to provide your credit or debit card details. Here you can see the payment page. RingCentral uses Stripe to process payments. Please provide the debit or credit card details and click on Register. Even if you have not requested an invoice, you will receive a receipt for payment in the confirmation email. Once you have made payment, or if no payment was required, you will see a message confirming your registration. There may also be other confirmation details. As in this example, you can see that the delegate has qualified for a 50% discount on the annual subscription to ICC's Rebuild Ukraine portal. A link is provided, which will take you back to the landing page we showed at the beginning of this video. You will also receive an automatic email confirmation. If you requested an invoice, this will be sent separately within 1 business day of registration. Here you can see an example of the email registration confirmation. To make the screenshots a little easier to read, I have split the email into 2 sections. This includes the date and time of the forum. Clicking on Yes will insert the details into your calendar. Again, there may be additional information provided, such as confirmation of the 50% discount on the portal subscription shown here. You can see the button Enter Event, which gives you automatic access to the forum platform. Please note that this is a personal link and should not be shared with anyone else. If a colleague would also like to attend, they should register as previously described. You can also see at the bottom of the email the receipt for payment made. As the event gets closer, you will receive reminder emails, which include this access button. So even if you delete this email, you will still be able to access the forum. That's it. I hope you found that straightforward. You can now use your personal link to configure your personal profile and privacy settings. Just click on the Create Your Profile link at the middle of the page at the top. This will take you to the configuration pages. As you can see here, you can choose personal information or privacy settings. If you choose personal information, you will be able to add more detail to the information that is already recorded with your registration. All the additional details shown here are optional. You do not have to provide information you would prefer to keep private. However, the more detail you provide here, the easier it will be for other delegates to decide whether they would like to contact you. As you can see, you can add a photograph. You can edit your name, job title, and company. You can also add a brief description about you and your current positions. You can also add links to your social media profiles on LinkedIn and X, and add a link to your company's website. If you choose your privacy settings, you can decide whether everyone or just the forum organizers can send you direct messages, invite you to meetings, and invite you to instant video calls. The more that you allow everyone to contact you, the more likely it is that a potential client or partner will contact you. However, it is totally your decision how you set these privacy settings. The next and every time thereafter that you click on your access link, you will come to a new login page, similar to the example shown on this page. All you have to do is insert your email address and click on Continue to sign in. You will receive a one-time code email, similar to the one shown on this slide. Copy this code, and with just one more step, and you get access to the RingCentral platform. Insert the one-time code in the page that appears after you have inserted your email address. That's it, and you're in. Well, that's everything covered. I hope that you have seen that it is easy to register, configure your personal profile and privacy settings, and log in whenever you want. We look forward to seeing you at ICC's Rebuild Ukraine Forum. If you have any questions or need any help at all, please contact us at the email address shown on this slide. Let's work together to make the Rebuild Ukraine program a massive success.